Hey tribe, welcome and welcome back again. So I told you guys in the previous video that we'll be having a part 2 of the last one that I did. So this is the part 2 because I couldn't fit everything in one video. So today I will be cleaning all the rooms. You guys, it is a mess in here. The whole house was just like, oh my goodness. Look at the mess. But anyways, we'll be cleaning out the rooms today, so hang in there. And if you're new on here, welcome. Get your drink and sit down and watch and relax. And yep, let's get into the cleaning. So for the girls' room, honestly, for the most part, the girls always clean out their rooms. So I only have to come in here and sweep it out, or do just minor work in here. So they already cleaned out their room and made their bed and all of that. So I just only needed to just come in here and do a little bit of work, just sweep out their room. They always clean up their room. I mean, they're big girls, so they always clean up their room, and sometimes they also clean up, the house and all. But I told them, I was like, you know what, I'm going to make a cleaning video, so you guys shouldn't worry about it. So yeah, here I am cleaning, and now we are in Javan's room. I don't know why these two last babies are just something else. Maybe because they are still babies though. So I am now here cleaning out their room and picking up, and the amount of things I brought out from this room, I'm just wondering, when did you guys take this in? Because I just don't understand. But anyways, yeah. And oh, they all got, I just did not, I wasn't able to film like what they got for their Christmas, their Christmas presents and all. I wanted to do that. I think I did that in one of the vlogs that was in December. I think I did that, but I kind of like just showed them opening their gifts and all. Yeah, but I didn't really like tell you guys what they all got. But part of what they got for Christmas was a robe. Each of them got a robe, and I was just so happy for them. They've been wanting robes for like forever. I remember Olivia telling me, she's like, "Oh, you need to change my robe. I'm already bigger than it." I'm like, "Okay, I hear you." And then I was like, "Oh, this is the perfect time to get them all, a robe." And they, or even Gia, you can see her cute robe. It was just so cute. They all got a robe, and I was just like, we are now all twinning and matching in our robes. It's just so cute. I love that, and they were just so excited. Christmas was super duper fun. We had fun. I didn't even have the time to even like film much, so I didn't get to participate in Vlogmas this year, last year. But I'm still looking to see if I'm going to participate in this year's Vlogmas. I honestly don't know. I just don't like being burnt out unnecessarily, so that's why I barely participate in Vlogmas, because I feel like, I mean, the two times I've participated, my views were just kind of like low. I'm like, okay, I thought people say Vlogmas, people watch Vlogmas a lot, like what's going on. So I realized that I feel like people always watch like the bigger channels more because they already know them and all. That's what I feel like. So I just stopped doing Vlogmas. But hopefully I'll be able to I'll be able to do Vlogmas this year. I don't know yet, but let's just see how it goes. And where do I start from, you guys? From the shopping down to all the partying and going out and sort. You know how women are, like when we want to go out, we always I am always the most confused person ever. I have to like have about five options for me to choose from before I would get to even wear something. I don't know. So I keep pulling out my clothes from the closet, just keep pulling them out until I see something that fits or something that I like, or something that kind of like works for the occasion or whatever I'm going to attend. So that is why I have all my clothes on here. The jackets, and of course it was cold, so I had to get the four jackets out. The shopping, some of the clothes are even still in the shopping bags. I didn't even get to wear them or anything like that. Like, it's crazy. It's so crazy, the things, the clothes that I didn't even get to wear and everything. But yeah, I'm just sorting everything out now. So I was just dumping everything on there, but I'm sorting it out now. So oh, and you guys, my dresser turned to something else, like a whole lot on there. Listen, oh my goodness. This took me a while, but I'm so glad that I did it. All the jewelries that, I pulled out, I wear this one, I'm like, oh no, you think it doesn't go, it doesn't fit. And I take it out and everything. And even when I come back, maybe drunk or not, I just keep loading everything on here. It's so crazy, but yeah, I was so happy that I finally got to clean and clear up this thing, and most importantly, take out all the Christmas decor out. Like, take them out, take them out. I was just so happy I was able to do this. Look at all that jewelry on there. Like, I had a whole lot of jewelry. It was just all over the place. everything, because once I get back I'm just dropping it here, once I get back I'm dropping it here. So it's just, and I keep changing and changing. Maybe I need to stop buying jewelries then I wouldn't have so much to drop around all over the place, honestly. And I have so many rings. But I'm glad. I was so happy when I cleaned out this place. It just felt like a fresh of breath air, because it felt so good. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying it though. If you stick with me to the end, then what would I say? Tell me happy new year in the comment section. Yeah, let me know that you watched till the end. Just tell me happy new year in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, as that helps my channel get out there. Don't forget to like and comment, as that helps YouTube push out my channel more. Yes, I would definitely appreciate that. And also subscribe if you have not done that already. We have fun here, we clean up, we vlog, we do all of those amazing things. And thank you so much for your support. I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.